Hello and welcome to this OIT Quick Tip. My name is Zach Peterson. Thank you for joining me. And today what I'd like to show you is a new resource for you for getting help with your IT questions and issues that you may have. Of course, you can always contact the IT help desk by giving them a call or sending them an email. But if there's ever a moment where, let's say on a holiday weekend or some other time that the help desk is closed, you still need to get help. Well, we have something available for you, and that is the new IT knowledge base, and it's online and it's available to you wherever you are. You can log in and take a look and search through all of our knowledge. So let's go ahead and take a look and show you what you can do. So on my machine here in my browser, I'm just going to go to smu.edu/KBIT. That's going to be the address. And once this loads, you'll be taken to a login screen for the wiki system here at SMU, which is where the knowledge base lives. So just go ahead and log in with your ID and password. And once you are logged in, you are brought to the knowledge base. So a few things here on the home page. You have some categories here on the left-hand side for articles that are stored on the knowledge base. We also have some resources for you, a list of services that we have, as well as our blog and our Twitter account. And then we also have a Twitter feed for our Twitter account here as well, just as a reference for you. But the most important part of our knowledge base is the search bar here in the center. So let's say, for example, you wanted some information on VPN, connecting to the VPN. I'll just type in VPN. And now I'm given all of these results on different issues with VPN you may run into, or here, just the VPN Cisco AnyConnect link here. I now have instructions for some issues that might occur, as well as the basic installation for a PC or a Mac. So just click on whichever one you need, and there you go, step-by-step instructions. So let me go ahead and I will go back to my home page of the knowledge base here. And now let me go to, let's say, PerunaNet. And now we have all of the different pages that we have for configuring PerunaNet. So let's say you have a Chromebook right here. Let's click on that, and it will give you the detailed instructions on setting PerunaNet up on your Chromebook. So lots of different options here. Let me go back to the home page. So again, that is smu.edu/KBIT, and simple as clicking in that search box, typing in your search terms, and then you'll be provided with articles directly from the IT help desk on how to resolve your problems. If you do have any questions about anything in the knowledge base, or you think something needs to be updated or added, feel free to let the help desk know at 214-768-4357 or help@smu.edu. So this has been another OIT Quick Tip. Thanks for joining me. See you next time.